Legend tells us of a wise man who traveled the countryside and could answer all questions correctly. One day, some kids, in order to fool the old man, brought him a small bird cupped in their hands. They asked him whether the bird was dead or alive. The old man answered, "If I say the bird is alive, you'll crush him in your hands. If I say he's dead, you'll open your hands and let him fly. You see, in your hands you hold the power of life or death. So it is with America. Now you must decide whether you will snuff out the greatness of America or set it free."